Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am at the fabulous Hotel Windsor here in Melbourne. I can't say sunny Melbourne, I'm sorry. It's a bit of a grey sky Melbourne today, but we've had a very sunny Melbourne for the time that I've been here. I actually brought my kids here to see the Harry Potter and the Cursed Child play just down the road at the Princess Theatre, and it's been amazing. If you get the opportunity to go, please just go. It's an incredible, incredible stage production, Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. Anyway, today I'm talking about better access in private practice. So I'm here at the Hotel Windsor and I shall share with you this beautiful place. It is an absolutely stunning hotel, very old and special. Check it out. Let's go inside. So I have a very special memory of coming to the Hotel Windsor when I was 16, and there was a visiting French chef at the restaurant, and I was back in 1986 when I was 16. I was decked out in my lovely white taffeta dress with the leg of mutton sleeves and the tulle on the outside and the splashes of pastel paint on the skirt. And I remember at 16 walking into the restaurant, and it felt to me like the whole place stood still and looked at me, and I felt like a princess just for 5 seconds. So why wouldn't I want to have my workshop here? So I'm very, very excited to be presenting my Better Access workshop here today. I've got a one-day workshop, and the whole point of today's workshop is for the fabulous 6 clinicians who are coming to spend the day with me today, getting an intensive experience of building their confidence around all of the stuff that goes on with better access, all of the rules, all of the grey areas, all of the confusions, and a big part of it is tackling some of the fears, because I know that a lot of people spend a lot of time being quite scared of getting it wrong, and scared of being audited, and scared of being bankrupted if they're audited and found wanting. So we're going to tackle a lot of those issues. We're going to tackle a lot of the grey areas, as I say, and actually we're going to also look at any examples in their own practice where they're confused. Then we're going to spend some time working on how they communicate with their GP referrers and other referrers, building their own set of templates for communication with GPs, and getting into a routine, establishing a rhythm of how they set up their case notes and things like that. So it's a real experiential workshop. I literally have no notes in preparation for this workshop, because it's very much about what each participant brings on the day in terms of their problems, their concerns, their fears, their worries, their prior knowledge. So we will do a review of the content of my Better Access online training. We'll do a quick review of that, and more in depth depending on how many people haven't actually done that training. And then it'll be very much about building some skills and building some knowledge and some confidence around what I often talk about, working within the spirit of better access, instead of being focused or so focused on the black and white, right and wrong stuff. So check out behind me. First of all, is that a chandelier or is that a chandelier? This is the lovely restaurant behind me, and I'll take you through to where we're going to be today. There's a Robin McKinnon over there. So some of the attendees are already here, getting themselves organised, getting themselves a coffee, and having a lovely time of things settling in for the day. Now we've got this lovely room all to ourselves. So when I run a workshop, I like people to be thoroughly spoiled. And so that is why I have chosen somewhere as lovely and as special to me as the Hotel Windsor. What they don't know, they got presents. They got presents. So those of you who are coming to the Gold Coast workshop, you will get presents too. You will get spoilt beyond measure, and you'll have a fabulous day with me on the Gold Coast at the Sofitel in Surfers Paradise. Now, if you are curious about attending my one-day workshop in Surfers Paradise, give me a shout out because there are still spots available. We can add numbers. We do have an upper limit on how many people we can accommodate because of room size. Hi, Jackie. Hi, Amanda. But at the moment, we still have space. So if you are interested, make sure you give me a shout. Good morning, Nikki. Oh, I said Marriott. I said Sofitel. Nikki is my PA and she is right onto me. Thank you. It is the Marriott in Surfers Paradise. Thank you, Nikki. And there is a possibility, now this is a little bit of a naughty announcement because I have not confirmed this yet, but there is a little whisper of a possibility of a third date in the second half of the year. I'm not going to say any more about that just yet. So those of you who end up missing out, keep your eyes on this page because you'll find out in due course if I am able to confirm a third workshop date. Not saying when, not saying where, but keep your fingers crossed that it's going to suit you. Now, in the meantime, I am also still open for business for my midsummer retreat. So if any of you have been sitting on the fence, if you've got the 25th to the 28th of February free and you want to come to Hobart and spend some intensive time working with me in a very small group on your practice, on your confidence as a business owner, on all the stuff that you're wanting to get done in your business to boost you up to the next level of your business's future, then please don't hesitate to let me know because there is definitely still space for that as well. On that note, also, there is so much interest in the midwinter retreat that I am going to be putting out a call for deposits. So keep your eyes peeled for that because there are too many people interested for me to be able to accommodate at midwinter. So if you were thinking about midwinter, you might want to consider scooting down to Hobart for midsummer if you can because you're guaranteed space. You might miss out on midwinter is what I'm saying. Right. Meanwhile, I hope you're all having a fabulous Saturday. 10 of you here with me, love. Hey, Naomi, good morning. Hi, Laura. Who else have we got here? Lisa, Jackie, Stacey, Megan. Megan, hello. Who else? Amanda, I said hello to. Mr. Fuller, good morning. I'll see you this evening. Wendy, my love, hello, all the way from the United States of America. Robin's in the lobby. And Olivia, hey Olivia, how's Launceston treating this morning? Good morning, Jen. Now, the rest of today is going to be such a great day. I can't tell you how excited I am. I'm so excited. I woke up this morning, I'd set my alarm for 7 a.m. I think I woke up at about 6, bolt upright going, have I set my alarm for, I have alarms that are set for weekdays only. And I thought, oh my gosh, I've probably set the alarm to go off on a weekday only. But thankfully I hadn't. So I'm all organised. I'm very excited about the day ahead. I've already met 3, well, I already know Robin, of course, but I've met 2 of the other attendees already. They're having breakfast together in the restaurant, and it's going to be a lovely group, really getting down and dirty with this better access stuff. Now, if you're not participating in my online training, if you think you've missed the boat, you have not. You can still sign up for that. So all of the live content, all the video content is still in the group. In fact, a lot of the people who signed up right at the beginning for the Better Access online training are still catching up on the videos. So you're not behind, you're never behind. You can complete those videos in your own time. And the group itself is a very active group, lots of questions and answers in there. And as I find additional resources, I pop them in from time to time. So if you're interested in that online Better Access training, please send me a message and either myself or Nikki will get back to you with some information on that. Similarly, the perinatal group, the perinatal training, online training, very introductory. What I'm amazed at so far, that we're about halfway through the live content. It'll be the same. If you want to sign up now, you certainly can. You've got access to all the videos in the group that you can catch up on in your own time. Some people are actually finding they prefer to watch the videos later because they can pause them and sort of think about the content. And the content's a very introductory level, skipping stone approach to the kinds of things that come up in clinical practice with the perinatal population, and lots of bonus content as well. And I've got a very special surprise for the members of that group. group, which I can't tell you because then they'll know about it. So if you're interested in that group, please let me know, because it's not too late to sign up for that either. So there's lots going on. I've had a very busy start to the year, as you can tell, and I better get going because I've got a very busy day ahead. I'm wishing you a fabulous Saturday. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Enjoy whatever it is you're doing. Take some time for yourself as well to relax if you can, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye for now.